Today, 26 June 2020, me Alia Ghosh, news anchor from Lavafara Media, here brings you the world latest updated news from all around the world. All regular train services cancelled till August 12. Indian Railways. New Delhi, all regular mail expresses passenger service as well as suburban trains have been cancelled till 12 August, the Railway Board said on Thursday. Sources said that the decision was taken keeping in mind the increasing number of coronavirus cases in the country. However, all special trains, 12 pairs running on Rajdhani routes since May 12 and 100 pairs operating since June 1 will continue, they said. The limited special suburban services, which began recently in Mumbai to ferry essential services, personnel identified by the local authorities will continue to run, officials said. All tickets booked for the regular timetable trains for journey date from 1 July to 12 August also stand cancelled. Full refund will be generated, the Railway Board order stated. Earlier, the railways had cancelled all trains till June 30. Here we will bring some more latest news. India COVID-19 tally reaches 4,73,105. Recovery rate improves to 57.43%. New Delhi, with the highest single day spike of 1,922 cases in the last 24 hours, India's COVID count on Thursday reached 4,73,105 according to the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. As many as 418 deaths were reported in the last 24 hours, with the total death toll reached 14,894. Out of the total number of cases, 1,86,514 are active and 2,71,697 people have been cured or discharged or having rated. The Health Ministry today said that a total number of 13,012 COVID-19 patients have been cured in the last 24 hours, while the recovery rate is 57.43% amongst the COVID-19 patients. From limited COVID-19 tests in January, 2,07,871 tests conducted in the last 24 hours, taking the cumulative test to more than 75 lakhs at 75,60,782, it stated. It also informed that cases per lakh in India currently stands at 33.30 against the world's 120.21 cases lakh. The lakhs also death lakh in the country is currently amongst the lowest in the world, with 1.06 death lakhs against the world average of 6.24 deaths lakh, with as many as 42,900 unconfirmed cases of COVID-19. So far, Maharashtra continues to remain the worst affected state in the country. Out of the total cases, 62,369 are active, 73,792 have been cured, and 6,739 have died. Thank you.